So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you our trades which we take on our channels. If you have any doubts, you can just message on @support on Telegram. So this is our accuracy, and to join our channels you can just click on the link in description. You will be there in the group and availing our daily signals. So this is our first signal for all cap 5 minutes up. In this we didn't get the entry, so we skip this trade. The next signal was for GBP cap 5 minutes down. This was a very good win. A very long candle was there. In this, the price reached the resistance level. I've just marked here. And as soon as the price reached the resistance level, we took a downside trade with a very good entry at the resistance level, and we won this trade. What a win! Amazing win right there. You can just check out. The next signal was for GBP USD 5 minutes up. This was a loss, so we skipped this trade. And again, the next signal was for GBP CHF 5 minutes up. This was a very good win again. So in this you can just see there was a strong support level and the candles were rejecting from the support level again and again. This means the area was strong, and as soon as the price reached that area again, we took an entry with a very good strong entry at the support level. We won this trade. You can just see our entry was exactly at the support level and we won this trade. For the call side, entries matter a lot. Again and again I will say you that, because that's how you win the trades. The next signal was for Euro odd 5 minutes down. Again, a very good win. In this you can just see I marked the resistance level. The candles were rejecting from this zone again and again. With a very strong resistance level, we took a trade for the downside, and the moving average was also indicating for the downside, so we won this trade. We took entry exactly at the resistance level and we won it. So that's all for today. 3 non-martial wins, amazing wins for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. If you get any doubts, I will explain them to you. Thank you so much.